Hey drone nerds, it's Matt. I'm standing here with Santiago from VOTIX. Santiago, how are you today?
Very good, very good.
Good.
Good having you here, thank you.
Good. Give me a good overview of what is VOTIX. What do you guys offer for customers?
Absolutely. So think about VOTIX as symphony conductor, right? So we do drone orchestration. So we're the symphony conductor right in the middle of the operation for everything that happens before, during, and after the show of the drone operations, right? So mission planning, fleet management, streaming, collaboration, and of course, fly and beyond visual line of sight flights, all the way to automation.
Cool. And who's your guys' typical clients? Who do you see a lot of?
Absolutely, yeah. So most of the clients are drawn as first responders, so first responders, public safety, private sector as well on the surveillance, as well as inspections for utility and I will say mapping and agriculture as well.
And you have the whole vertical covered. Where did you see the issue where you came up with a solution that makes it just really easy for people?
Yeah, so one drone does not fit all. It doesn't do the whole thing for every single operation. So instead of learning 15 different platforms, 14 different platforms, because you have 14 different drones to do multiple stuff, you have software like VOTIX to run everything within the same platform and learn just once how to do your mission planning, your operations, and run everything from there, having a ledger and a chain of custody of your data.
Very cool. And yeah, it makes it a lot easier for people who maybe haven't been in the space for a long time. It makes it easier so that they can just focus on their job as like first responders, right?
Absolutely, yes. Not only they can focus on the job and do it easier, with just one click or just one address, you can send a drone and be there within 90 seconds. So it's gonna be very simple, very easy for them to use. They can be going 100 miles an hour on their car and be overseeing the operation on their phone. So it's gonna be very simple and easy to use.
Talk to me about your guys' development roadmap. What are some things you're working on? Where do you see yourself going in the next couple of years?
Yes, well, we have a 24-month roadmap ahead. It's always increasing and increasing, so we're always developing. Right now, our new stuff is AI, so we have built-in AI on our drones right now, well, on our software right now, that can be used on any drone for license plate reading, face recognition, object counting. So I think that's the way we're going right now, so towards the AI.
Mm-hmm. And talk to me in the drone industry as a whole, where do you see that going in the near future?
I think we're all waiting for the regulation to kick in here when it comes to visual line of sight flights, and then the future of automation. So I think we are actually a key part or the core part of that operation, because we're going to be able to orchestrate everything from the UTM part, the fleet management part, the streaming, the collaboration, and of course making sure it's airworthy. So all these flights are safe and secured.
Sure. And back to your guys' product, how do people get the most out of VOTIX?
Even having just one drone or multiple drones, you will get the most out of it by just starting with it. So getting future-proofing your drone operation. So at the beginning, you might not be ready to go beyond visual line of sight. I don't want everybody to think that we're only BVLOS platform, but instead you can be jumping from management part all the way to streaming, and then once everything gets unlocked there, you can go beyond visual line of sight. So you're pretty much future-proofing the whole operation.
That's really cool.
Right from the beginning.
And we work really closely with you guys. You're one of our partners. What are some things that you like about working with us?
Well, the collaboration and the way that we're distributing to multiple platforms of multiple people. So not only you're introducing people to multiple hardware that we don't do, of course, but with all that hardware, we are a big part of that, and we like working with you because we are agnostic to any type of hardware that you're selling, from the DJI Talk to all the MapLink-based drones that you're selling, as well as the NDAA compliant and Blue UAS, and of course everything with DJI that we also support.
Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Appreciate it very much.
Thank you very much.